Sacco funds remain the property of the respective SACCOs and are managed exclusively by the elected officials. The government of Kenya has no access to, neither does it intend to utilize these funds, member deposits held in SACCOs. Since cooperatives are autonomous, they are member-owned institutions and their funds are strictly used to provide affordable credit and other financial services to their members. At no point did the Deputy President of the government propose using SACCO funds for this purpose. As a ministry and as the cooperative movement, we urge our media, who are our partners, to exercise due diligence and professionalism when reporting on matters affecting the cooperative sector, which continues to play a very critical role in our Kenyan socio-economic development.